Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
President jong People's Democratic Front uba Bante Dor Lingdo hagas ni sajan jong khat arterik ubnai rempang arzar arpuar ula ong bagajing ai jing kershan jong ki MLA ka seng Congress ya ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hapo ka jing elam jong ka National People's Party kadai ka jing tre shitom jong ki seng san perthai bapher ki be tre lang hapo ka ni ka kinhon kadhadu bakala khring ya ka seng Congress ban wan ya tre lang hapo ka Sarkar Agajingya keren bat kilat pathai khubo ruba Bante Dor Lingdo ulo ongru bagajingya trailang jong ke PDF hapo ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kanyai nebej hadu ke bakut jong ke Samoy Sansnem Henry hakabaya day bat ke jingle poi jong ke Bharatiya Janata Party halor ke jingai jing kershan jong ki sangut ki MLA ke Congress ya ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance uba Bante Dor Lingdo ulo ong bakata ka day ke jingya penbej hapdeng ke BJP bat menteri rangba ke jilla namar ba ke PDF ka baya trailang hapo ke ke kinhon kam don jing kho nyo mensim AARUM
Kataru ni padon ni kata ka jige keren mau ngi ngala keren sha media manakan niru bagi long ki bakloy banya trei naga benta ka bit ka biang jong ka state jong ginong sok ki jongi rei banya report alliance banu ka padon ka no jige ki koi ka long dumne kai nadu pasdang kila ing edon ka no teli parti ki ba pelong ye kani ka MDA government bat ngi so komen ngai kan benang ya ka por nang bon sidang bon ki bawan ni so ban ka MDA mun pri ba ka de jing job ba ka jing trei sitom amtam nang kaliang junga biba hamlet pung minister nilai persyang ban ai jemut ban ya keren ban Sarkar po jelam jong chief minister pemerintah ibu bon ki kam bon ki isu timur ki ki kering ki ibang ni banwan ban ya don lang ban MDA kalau ke jemut toy nang benta ke MDA nang pertlan nang kenang kinang bon ginam ba mo ipi bagani kan ne asna nak do bakut senap kata ingin don ni abawan penyesok menu tu ke jemut toy nang benta ka ni ka alliance jongi am di MDA government jongi nakaliang jungi ngim don ni banao amar beli oi fi star system ke election kelawan tekajing yon penyesok ni tebut ke tekajing mentoy ya ka MD ngatrai ka taru ngatrai ka dei ka kam ke jong ka BJP waktu chief minister begini campaign begini keren ngim kwa bangin tuklar ke ke parti wing parti kam ni keren ye anda ngi election start siap actually from the party we didn't know about that we didn't hear anything about that also but in fact right now we are strengthening the party. And in politics, I'll tell you, somebody they'll join other party. Some also they'll join our party. That is a politics. Yeah, definitely you will see, but not right now. It's not appropriate time now to mention all this. So you'll see in appropriate time. No, I think you have seen the statement. It came from the Chief Minister. He already clarified. He already mentioned this. There will be no reshuffle. PDF party is a party-based issue. We don't want any resources, but we'll fight with our own right, with our own objective. The principal objective of the party is there. The ideology of party, we have to maintain that, what we have done. So, therefore, for the party, I'll tell you, we will go to the people with this, what we have done for the last 4 years, 5 years. Depends, but I already told that this is not appropriate time. So maybe after March, we will see. Yes, definitely. Some of the leaders from the Garwels also they approach us. We'll see. But we are still with government. If we are not happy, we should have been leave long time back. It's only in the achievement issue which we have maintained with the party. Then you will see it come out.